Today we're going to talk about SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. If you've ever wondered how some websites get to the top of search engine results, then this video is for you. Don't worry if you don't know anything about SEO. We're going to break it down for you in the simplest way possible, so let's get started. First, let's define what SEO is. SEO is the process of optimizing your website's content so that it ranks higher on search engines like Google. When someone types in a keyword, the search engine crawls through millions of websites to find the best matches. SEO helps your website rank higher so that it appears at the top of the results page, leading to more traffic and higher engagement. Now, let's talk about the different types of SEO. There are two main types of SEO: on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO is optimizing the content on your website to make it more attractive to search engines. This includes things like using keywords, creating high-quality content, and optimizing your website's structure and URLs. Off-page SEO is all about building links and promoting your website on other websites. This includes social media promotion, backlinks, and guest posting. These activities help increase your website's visibility and make it more attractive to search engines. Now, let's talk about the benefits of SEO. First one is increased visibility. SEO helps your website rank higher on search engines, which means that more people will see your website when they search for relevant keywords. Second one is higher engagement. SEO also helps you create high-quality content that engages your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Third one is more traffic. Higher visibility and engagement lead to more traffic on your website, which can translate into higher revenue or better conversion rates. Finally, let's talk about some best practices for SEO. First, you have to research your keywords. Use keyword research tools to identify the keywords your target audience is searching for and optimize your content accordingly. Then create high-quality content. Create content that provides value to your audience and is optimized for search engines. Another way is building backlinks. Build links to your website from other high-authority websites to increase your website's credibility and visibility. You have to optimize your website structure, URLs, and metadata to make it more attractive to search engines. That's it for this video. I hope you now have a better understanding of what SEO is and how it can benefit your website. Remember, SEO is a continuous process, so keep optimizing your content and building links to improve your website's visibility and engagement. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below.